Alabama Department of Revenue. Business Essentials for State Taxpayers. Sales and Use Taxes Administered Learning Module.
The following video is intended to be an overview of the subject matter included and is not a comprehensive explanation of all aspects of the subject matter. The information contained in this video does not represent legal advice and is not legally binding on the department. Information regarding taxes and tax administration changes frequently and should always be confirmed through a tax professional. Please refer to the Alabama Department of Revenue website at revenue.alabama.gov for additional information.
In this lesson, we will outline the tax types administered by the Sales and Use Tax Division as well as the tax rates, define sales tax terms including Consumers Use, Simplified Sellers Use, Lodgings and Rental Taxes, learn about tax-exempt sales, review local taxes. Sales tax is a privileged tax imposed on the retail sale of tangible personal property sold in Alabama by businesses located in Alabama. It is collected by the seller and remitted to the state. These are general terms you may encounter with sales and use taxes. Retail sales. The sale of tangible personal property to the consumer or end user excludes certain labor, services, and real estate. Wholesale sales, sales for resale. Sale of tangible personal property to licensed merchants, dealers, or other wholesalers for resale. The seller must maintain a copy of the sales tax license or exemption certificate for these customers. Withdrawals. Any items purchased tax exempt and withdrawn for use instead of being sold are subject to sales tax at cost. Overcollections. Tax collected over and above the actual rate and paid to the state. The same is true for local sales tax. Tax-exempt sales. Sales of exempt items, non-taxable transactions that are specifically exempted by law, such as prescription drugs, gasoline, motor oil, and certain labor. This also includes sales to exempt customers specifically exempted by law or have a certificate of exemption, direct pay permit, or are government agencies in Alabama or the federal government. Statutorily exempt entities must now obtain an annual exemption certificate. These are types of taxable and non-taxable labor. Consumers' use tax is due when merchandise is purchased at retail and brought into Alabama for storage, use, or consumption unless specifically exempted by law and is a counterpart to sales tax. Use tax rates are the same as state sales tax rates. The Simplified Sellers Use Tax Remittance Act allows eligible sellers to participate in a program to collect, report, and remit a flat 8% Simplified Sellers Use Tax on sales made into Alabama. As defined by Section 40-26-1D, lodgings tax is a privilege tax on persons, firms, and corporations engaged in the renting or furnishing of rooms, lodgings, or other accommodations to transients for periods of less than 180 days of continuous occupation. Rental tax is a privilege tax levied on the lessor for the leasing or renting of tangible personal property. It does not include real property. Local taxes are levied by a local jurisdiction, such as a county or municipality, and are generally collected in the form of property and/or sales taxes. Local taxes will be collected and remitted to the proper administering office. When are local taxes collected? When nexus has been established. Nexus is defined as the taxpayer having a physical presence or nexus, such as brick and mortar locations, local sales representatives, local distribution centers, delivery trucks, etc., in a municipality or county that has sales tax. You can find your local rates at revenue.alabama.gov/sales-use/tax-rates.